this is the ring that I'm going to propose to Mandy with. I was fighting forest fires this summer, and I came across the idea that if Mandy's going to wear a ring for the rest of her life, I want it to be a ring that I made for her. I didn't want some other ring that some other dude made on her finger, not a ringer. So after that, I started doing research and looked into a bunch of different ring making methods, and then started ordering the tools. I've been practicing for a long time trying to make rings, trying to figure out what's best for me, because I'm not good at little intricate work. So I was trying to figure out the best method that'd work, and I came up with this ring.
So I started with the cuttlefish bone, which I just bought at a regular pet store, and I've cut it in half and used the copper pipe that was the same size as Mandy's finger to trace out the ring. And then I got some silver and melted the silver down and poured it into the little mold I had made.
Ooh! Come on, stay together. You can see it's solidifying right now. Hey, please be good. It looks pretty good. I'm happy. Let's pull this guy on out with it. And I think I can make what we need to make out of this.
I then used a disc grinder to get the majority of the extra silver off, and then switched to a little dremel to do more of the intricate removal. I then drilled a hole through the ring using the smallest drill that I had, and then used
ball burr. It's just pretty much a ball.
I then carefully took out more and more metal until the diamond sat nicely inside of the hole.
Uh-oh. I got the diamond stuck in there. Now I'm going to do what's called a gypsy setting, where I'm pretty much just going to rub around the sides, kind of folding the metal over itself back onto the top of the diamond. So it's going to cover it up a little bit. We'll see if I'm successful. Okay, it's looking like it's folding over nice. I'm going to do one more round around.
Did some final shaping of the ring and got the dremel stuck in my hair.
Maybe it's time to go have some breakfast.
Using a round hammer, I hammered away at the ring, giving it a nice hammered finish.
Right in here.
The last thing I did was put it in with some walnut chips and let it tumble and polish for about a day.
So this ring is 0.925 silver, and it's just over a half carat, and it's a natural diamond mined out of Africa. It is ethically mined and sourced. I made sure of that. And then it is, had some heat treatment to bring out the natural blues inside of it. And I purchased this a little while ago, and I've just been practicing, and I'm going to make a full video of start to finish of how I made this ring, but I just wanted to show you just a quick little short video of how I did this.